Well guys, we have two questions over here. For the first one, we have to find the slope for this equation right here. And then we have to, in the next question, prove the answer of this one. So, I've given you guys some hint to try this on your own. Well, you can find the slope obviously, but I meant for the second one, to prove this first question. Another name for slope. Well, let's see. We have slope, and then slope we know is equals to the tangent, but we also know the tangent is equals to the derivative or rate of change of y with respect to x at that point. So that means dy by dx is equals to m and vice versa. That means the slope is equals to the derivative of y with respect to x at that point, but for a given line, the slope or the derivative at any point on this line will give the same value for slope, because unlike a curve, the value of the slope changes depending on the point, right? But for a line, the slope stays the same because it doesn't depend on the value of x and y. I'll prove that for this one. So for the first one, it's we just have to use the formula. Slope of a line, right? Slope of line. M is equals to minus a by b. So what is minus a by b? Well, I technically just solved it. Not technically, I did solve it. But this a represents, well, the coefficient of x, and b represents the coefficient of coefficient of y. So simply that is it. But where did this come from? How do we know that m equals to minus a by b? And why is there a minus, since this is all positive? So let's move on to the second one. We have to use the dy by dx. Or we don't really have to, you can use any other way, but this is the simplest one. So we're given right here ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now simply differentiate both sides with respect to x. So you'll get a plus b dy by dx 0, c is just 0, equals to 0. And now from here, dy by dx equals to, the a goes to the right hand side, becomes minus a, b remaining, and just divide the b on both sides. So there we go. And we know dy by dx is equals to m. So m equals to minus a by b. Just that simple. And here we can also see that there is no x and y over here. So that means at any point on the line, we can use the derivative and we'll get the same value for the slope of that line. But in a curve, you'll get sometimes like minus y by x, x by 2y, something like that. And depending on the point on that curve, the value of the slope will be different. But for a line, it's always the same. And well, that is it. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe. Thank you.